Cool crossovers are now trending. More and more people, especially the young, are buying crossovers. Automakers are bringing in smart and cool subcompact crossovers targeted at the young and entry-level market. One cool-looking subcompact crossover is the JAC S4. At 4,410 mm long, 1,800 mm wide, and 1,660 mm tall, the JAC S4 is bigger and more spacious than most crossovers in its class and price point. Its 2,620 mm long wheelbase, a factor to providing stable ride and handling, is also longer than most in its segment. The S4 exterior dimensions also allow for a 520-liter cargo capacity in the back, with the second seatback's folded cargo capacity doubles to 1,050 liters. The JAC S4 looks sleek and sporty, with a wide stance and a distinctive six-sided grille, slim dark air dam, the over fender, and side cladding, and rear bumper. The JAC S4 arrived in 3 trim levels: the Luxury, the Intelligent, and the Ultimate. The JAC S4 Intelligent exterior features halogen height adjustable headlamps with automatic light function, LED daytime running lights, cornering lamps, and front and rear fog lamps. The S4 Intelligent also comes with shark's fin roof antenna, roof racks, and a power moonroof. Enhancing the sporty look to the S4 are 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped by 215 by 50 R17 tires. Powering the JAC S4 is a 1.5-liter turbo IVVT gasoline engine that generates a maximum 147 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque. In the S4 Intelligent, the engine is mated to a continuous variable transmission that drives the front wheels. The JAC S4 arrived in local market looking to set itself apart from the competition by being equipped with the latest technology for convenience, safety, and connectivity. The S4 Intelligent comes with smart keyless entry and push-button start, electric park brake, auto hold, and cruise control. Inside the cozy interior are seats upholstered in leather. The driver can adjust his seat electronically, and the multi-function steering wheel tilts to get the optimum driving position. An LED instrument panel provides the driver all the information he needs about S4 status and performance through 3 selectable modes. Other comfort and convenience features in the S4 Intelligent include remote-controlled windows, automatic climate control, rear windshield defoggers, and heated power-adjustable side mirrors. The infotainment system features a 10.25-inch LED touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone link, USB port, and 6 speakers. 2 USB ports are also installed for rear passengers. The S4 Intelligent also comes with a surfeit of passive and active safety systems. These include dual airbags, seatbelts with reminders for all passengers, ISOFIX, and immobilizer. The S4 Intelligent is also equipped with anti-lock brake system, with electronic stability control, hydraulic brake assist, brake override system, hill start assist, reverse video images, and 360-degree panoramic images and overspeed alarm.